Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: account, location, and currency. Once done, open Shop Hunter and type the product name into the search bar. This first search seeds results and reveals available filters. Make sure to set price bounds and preferred sellers immediately so you're not overwhelmed. You'll see rough rankings and price history at a glance. Use them to decide if it's worth watching. This gets you into discovery quickly and prevents wasted clicks on irrelevant listings. Now you refine results and start tracking. You apply advanced filters, shipping speed, return policy, seller rating, because those affect total cost and risk. Once filtered, enable price alerts and set a target price or percentage drop. Shop Hunter will monitor listings and notify you. Use the comparison view to review price history charts and product specs side by side. This explains why price moved and which seller is most reliable. Keep tweaking filters until results match to complete the purchase. Verify the chosen seller, inspect shipping, taxes, and return terms, then apply coupons or cashback offers before you check out. Once you buy, mark the listing as purchased so Shop Hunter stops tracking it. If something goes wrong, no alerts, missing emails, first check notification permissions on your device and verify email spam filters. Then re-enable alerts in the app and test with a low-value watch. Doing that resolves most issues and keeps your automated tracking reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.